Hi guys, Jamie Oliver here, and I'm really excited to tell you about my new stainless steel professional series set of pots and pans. They're gorgeous. Let me show you about them. So, here we go, kicking off with the most beautiful, beautiful pans. Wonderful rounded sides so you can toss beautifully. Of course, it's Tefal, so we got the best non-stick coating. 4 layers of pro metal surface and the thermo spot. This is what helps you guys control your heat. No more cold pans when we get cooking. This goes dark and it tells you it's ready to sear. Yes, yes, yes. You can see these are beautiful. Little things like the handles here, lovely, riveted, but this here, this little piece of silicone makes all the difference. It just feels sturdy and solid, and it's really a premium pan. Now, as far as the pots and pans are concerned, the stainless steel looks amazing. This is one of the bigger pans. This is the Dutch oven or the stew pot, depending on where you come from. Really, really nice. It really allows you to see what's going on. And in all of these non-coated stainless steel pans, you can use any tools you like to get in there and stir up. So, I'm going to cook beautiful seared lamb lollipops with some tomato sauce, and I've got some bashed up nuts here. In with our lamb. There's no oil in this pan whatsoever, and that searing temperature has already started that fat to render out. And here's the thing, guys. You know, when you invest in the best pots and pans, okay, your cooking goes up 10% straight away. It's about being proficient. It's about the pans doing what you tell it to do. It's about not having hot and cold parts. Very importantly across the whole range, these thick bottoms are so, so important. If you've got a heat source, whether it's gas, induction, or an electric hob, you do get hot spots. So you need that thick bottom to spread the love, make it even, and also in here you can see there's a little measuring lines right in there that help you sort of know how much liquid you're doing if you're following a recipe. Okay, so time to plate up. I'm going to get those lovely lamb chops, dip it into that sauce, and then go into the nuts. That is going to be the most fantastic little mouthful you're ever going to have. So there you go, guys, a lovely little recipe from me to you with a little help from Tefal. Cheers.